Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to type text vertically in Word 2021. Let's go. Open Word file that you need. Go to Insert tab and choose Table. Create a one-cell, one-row table. Type the text. Go to the Layout tab. Click on Text Direction. Resize the text box if needed so it is positioned vertically. Go to Design tab and choose Borders. Click on No Border. There is another way to type text vertically in Word. Go to Insert tab and choose Text Box. Click on Simple Text Box. Type the text. Go to Shape Format tab. Click on Rotate. Choose Rotate Right 90. The last thing we need to do is remove borders. Right-click on the border and choose Format Shape. Click on Fill and check No Fill. Click on Line and check No Line. Easy. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!